Good morning, students. In our previous video, we have started our exercise 11D, in which we have solved only one question, and that question was based on division of polynomial. And earlier we have studied monomial divided by monomial, monomial divided by monomial we have studied, then binomial divided by monomial we have studied, and polynomial divided by monomial. It means that in all the three types monomial was common. It means every term was divided by a monomial. But now from question number 2 onwards we are going to do polynomial divided by polynomial. Now here you can see the question is n square minus 2n plus 1. This is one polynomial divided by n minus 1. This is another polynomial. Now for doing polynomial by polynomial there is a different method. We will use totally division method. How we will do this will be divisor. This will be called as divisor, and this will be called as dividend. And we all know that in division method divisor is kept like this, and then dividend n square minus 2n plus 1. This one is divisor and this one is dividend. Now like this we have to set the question first. Now next step will be, what we have to do, we have to take the very first part, very first number, and we have to match with it the first number of dividend. The very first divisor will be matched with very first dividend. Like n, here is n, here is n square. By what number we will multiply this n to get n square? N into n, it means n will be multiplied. If this n will be multiplied by this n, then only we will get n square. Here we will write n square. Now the first part task is completed. This n is multiplied by n. Now the second minus 1 will also get multiplied by n. Minus 1 into n minus n. Then we will subtract it, and for subtracting the polynomial the sign of the below given polynomial changes. Like this n square, the below one n square is positive, here we will take it as a negative, and this one is negative, we will take as a positive. Now this will be reduced. Now minus 2n plus n, it will be minus n plus 1. Now again we will follow the same method. By what number this n will be multiplied to get minus n? It means n into minus 1. It will be minus n. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Now what we will do? We will subtract. It means we will change the sign. Here it is minus, we will put here plus. Here it is plus, we will put here minus. This one cancel, this one cancel. Remainder is 0. This n minus 1 will be our answer. This method is little bit new and quite tough for you all, but try to understand it. It will be very easier for you all. Let me solve 2-3 questions related to this method only. Next we will solve question number 5. Now our next question is the same type of question. Here is also polynomial divided by a polynomial. This one will be our divisor, this one will be our dividend. First let us set the divisor and dividend. X plus 2y, then after we will write x square plus 4xy plus 4y square. Now the first step, what is our first task? To set the first part of the divisor with the first part of the dividend. Like this x, by what number this x will be multiplied to get x square? We all know that x multiplied by x, then we will multiply it by x. X into x, it will be x square. Now this 2y will be also multiplied by this x. 2y into x, that means plus into plus, plus 2x and y, we will write 2xy. In the next step what we will do, we will change the sign. Here this x square is positive, then its sign will be negative. Here this 2xy is also positive, its sign will be negative. By doing this, this x square is cancelled. Now 4xy minus 2xy, it will be 2xy, and this 4y square. Now in the next step again we will follow the same pattern. This x will be multiplied by what number to get 2xy? It means it will be multiplied by 2y. So we will write plus 2y. Here we will get 2xy plus into plus plus 2 2 ja 4 y square. Then after we will do subtraction. Here plus is there, it will become minus. Here plus is there, it will become minus, and all will be reduced. Here it is 0. This one will be our answer. Hope that second question is quite little bit clear to you all. Let us solve one more question, that is question number 8. Next we are going to solve question number 8. This question will be also solved in the same way. This one is dividend, this one is divisor. First we will arrange it. Now we have arranged the divisor and dividend in a division method format. Now the first term is 2a. This 2a will be multiplied by what number to get 8a square? 2 4 ja 8. When 2 will be multiplied by 4, then only we can get it. This a will be multiplied by one more a, then we will get a square. Now 2a into 4a, 2 4 ja 8, a into a square. We have got 8a square. Now the next, this minus 5 will be multiplied by this 4a. Minus 5 into 4, minus 20a. Now in the next step we will subtract it. It means we will change the sign. This a is positive, it will become negative. This 20a is negative, it will become positive. This is cancelled. Now 4 plus 20, it is 24a minus 60. Now this 2a will be multiplied by what number to get 24a? 2 12 ja 24, it means it will be multiplied by plus 12. It will become 24a. Minus into plus, minus 5 12 ja or 12 5 ja 60. In the next step again we will change the sign. This is positive, it will become negative. This is negative, it will become positive. This will be cancelled, remainder will be 0. This will be our answer. Hope that now it is more clear to you all. And one more question we will see, that is question number 12, the last question of this question number 2. Question number 12 is also the same type of question. We have to perform the same method, and I am solving it again and again to make you better understand. First we will set the divisor and dividend. 6x cube plus 5x square minus 21x plus 10. Divisor and dividend. Now our first task is, the first part of divisor will be set as the first part of dividend. 3 will be multiplied by 2. 3 2 ja 6. X will be multiplied by x square. It means the whole will be multiplied by 2x square to get 6x cube. Then minus 2 into plus 2, minus 4x square. Now in the next step we will change the sign. This one will be minus, this one will be plus. 5 plus 4, it will become 9x square, and the remaining part will be as written as it is. Now in the next step, 3 3 ja 9 plus 3 x into x square minus 2 into 3 minus 6x. Again we will change the sign, minus plus, it will be cancelled. Minus 21 plus 6 minus 15x plus 10. 3 5 ja 15, and here minus sign is there, that's why we will put minus 5. Minus 15x minus 2 into plus 5, minus 2 into minus 5, minus into minus plus, 2 5 ja 10. This minus will be plus, this plus will be minus, cancelled, remainder is 0. This one will be our answer. Try to solve these type of question. I have solved 4 question for you. You try to solve it by yourself, and if you face problem, then you can ask your query in WhatsApp also. Now let us move to question number 3. Our next question, question number 3, it is a word problem, and here also we have to perform the division only. Question number 3 is saying the area of rectangle. The area of rectangle is given 6x square minus 4xy minus 10y square unit, and its length is 2x plus 2y. Find its breadth. As we all know that area of rectangle is equal to formula is length into breadth, and question is saying to find the breadth. We have to find this. It means this L should be sent this side. So we can write area of rectangle. This one is in multiplication form. When it will come this side, it will become in division form. It means if area of rectangle is divided by length, we can get the breadth. Here length is given and area is given. Then we have to divide. First we will set it in division form. 6x square minus 4xy minus 10y square. Like this we have to do. Now 2 3 ja 6, x into x, it will become 6x square, plus into plus, plus 2 3 ja 6 xy. Now we will change the sign. Minus minus, this one cancelled. Minus 4 minus 6, it is minus 10xy minus 10y square. 2 into minus 5 minus 10, x is there, y, it will be multiplied by y, then it will become xy, plus into minus, minus 2 5 ja 10, y into y square. This one will be plus, this one will be plus, whole will be cancelled, this one. Therefore breadth is equal to 3x minus 5y. This will be our answer. Hope that this is also the same type of question and it is quite clear to you all. And in the next question number 4 also you have to do the same thing. Here also area is given, length is given, you have to find the breadth. The same method you have to perform. And in question number 5 we will do only 2 or 3 question. Let us see question number 5 also. In next our question number 5 we will see all the 3 types of division once again, like monomial by monomial we will see, binomial by monomial we will see, and polynomial by polynomial. All these 3 once again we will see as a revision part. Let us see. The first question is monomial divided by monomial. 2m cube n to the power 5 divided by minus mn. We will write 2m cube n to the power 5 divided by minus mn. For monomial into monomial, this is the format. Let us see. Here 1m is there, here 3m is there. When it will cut, here 2 will be remaining. Here also 1n, it will cut, 4 will be remaining. This minus will go up, it will become minus 2 m square n to the power 4. This will be our answer. This was the process of monomial divided by monomial. Let us see one more question, that is binomial divided by monomial. We will set it again. 5x square minus 3x divided by x. Now what next step we have done, this x will be distributed to both the numerator. In the next step it will be 5x square by x minus 3x by x. This x, here 1x will be cancelled, this x cancelled. Here 2x was there. After reducing 1x is remaining, it will become 5x minus 3. This will be our answer. Hope that these questions are quite clear to you all, and try to solve exercise 11D. And if you are having any problem, you can raise the query in dashboard also or in WhatsApp also. And in the next video we will be starting our exercise 11E.